Hello everyone. I wish you good health today. We are from University of Sriwijaya, Agriculture Faculty, Department of Agribusiness. In this opportunity, we'll bring English material entitled Topic and State Mind Idea and Implied Mind Idea. Let's begin.
Hello everyone, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Indri Marsella Hutabarat. Today, I'm going to talk about reading section. The reading text section measures your ability to understand academic passages in English. You will read one passage and answer questions about it. To do well on this test, you solve the 4 words in these areas to improve your score. First, you must on improving knowledge of the English language skill. 2. You must understand the text-taking strategies specific to the version of the text that you are taking. 3. You must take practice tests with a focus on applying the appropriate language skill and test-taking strategies. Let's move on to topic sentence. Topic sentence. Topic sentence is the sentence in an expository paragraph which summarizes the main idea of the paragraph. Tips for searching for a topic or topic within an English sentence. First, look for the first line of a paragraph, and if more than one paragraph, then observe each paragraph. 2. Fit the exact keyword or keyword on the paragraph.
Hello, my name is Karunia Sari. Today, I will explain 3 questions about the main idea. Let's see. 1. What is the topic of the passage? Topic is about what discussed, so we read the text. Topic usually from noun phrase. In the text, just option D is correct because D mentioning reason and intelligence. Text 2, number 1. What is the topic of this passage? Topic is about what discussed, so we read the text. Topic usually from noun phrase because A, B, C is from the 3 of them are one way that they are not included in the topic. Number 2. What is the main idea of this paragraph? Main idea is idea discussed in the text. This is the form of sentence, so we read the text. In the text, the main idea contained in the first sentence of the paragraph 1. So that's what is B. When trying to save money, you need to know about your option. Well, usually the main idea is the main sentence. The topic of paragraph is blah blah blah. So before we look for the topic, we must read the paragraph. Here, of the entire paragraph, there are important points in the second sentence, mainly about salary negotiation. So the best answer is D, negotiating the best possible salary. Number 5, the statement idea of this paragraph is blah blah blah. So before we look main idea usually on the first on the first sentence or last sentence. So because statement idea on the text is on last sentence, the best answer is D. That's the point is in order to negotiate the best possible salary, you must convince both Joseph and the employer of the value that you will bring to the job.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. I hope you're great today. I'm Ismi Siregar. Okay, in this opportunity, we will discuss about mind idea. Now let's begin. Check it out. The first, I will explain to you about the difference between the topic and mind idea. And secondly, I will explain to you about the characteristic of mind idea in general. What is mind idea? Mind idea is the important point another is making when writing. Okay? What? Important point? How about the topic? Maybe it will be easier if I show you. The topic is important place, things or idea in the passage. Example, noun of things, place, name, or idea. Now, let's begin to the second topic. Mind idea is also a sentence. It's usually a sentence. Mind idea usually put in the first paragraph, but it can also in the middle or the end of the paragraph. Each paragraph must have mind idea, so that the readers knows that the writer's trying to convey about his writing. I want to show you the tips to find mind idea in the paragraph. First, read the first initial or find the principal sentence in each of paragraph. Secondly, understand what is being spoken about. Then, understand each paragraph. What the idea you can find in the each of paragraph. Finally, forming a sentence that you generate from understanding the paragraph. This is the tips of mind idea that you can use the tips for each paragraph. I give you the general tips to find mind idea, so it can help you, it can make you will be easier to find mind idea. You can use it and you can try it. People use implied mind idea for all sorts of reasons. From disguising their real intention to keeping us or our truth. Okay everyone, I think enough about mind idea, but the example of mind idea will be discussed by my brother Jabal Thoriq Siregar in the next lesson.
My name is Jabal Thoriq Siregar. I will explain about the mind ID. Okay, well, next is a question regarding the mind ID. So, for question number 1, we see the keyword in the first paragraph. In the first paragraph, it says mountains are geological formations that do not always grow slowly and imperceptibly. If we look at the option, the approaching answer is option C because it says the mountains sometimes grow very quickly, where it fits perfectly into the text statement. Continue number 2. Here is a discussion that is more inclined to paragraph 2, so we only focus on paragraph 2. In the text said that on February 20 there was an explosion and created a mountain child. In option A, the statement was too general, so option A was not correct. And if we look in option B and C, there is no explanation regarding this in the text. So the correct answer in option B, because it asks what happened to a mountain in one day. Okay, number three is still related to the main ID, but only focus in on paragraph 3 only. In option A, the statement given is still too general, and in option C and D, there is not explanation in the third paragraph. And the correct answer is option D, because it says the rapid growth of one mountain in its first 12 mountains. So the most important thing is that we can see that is being asked in the question, and also we can see whether what is taught in the option is related or not with text. So basically the answer about playing the main ID must always be closely related to the text. Okay, this is text that has three questions. Then we see implied, likely, interpreted, and these are related questions. Well, let's go to the problem number 1. The question is, it's implied in the passage the Magellanic clouds cannot be seen the naked eye. So the information about the question is in the first paragraph. So the right choice is between option B or D, but what is being asked is cannot be seen. So the correct answer is option C. Continue number 2. Regarding the Milky Way, which is asked is how many stars there are in the Milky Way. If we look at paragraph 2, there it is said the Magellanic has 10 billion stars, which in fact is also called one tenth of the Milky Way, meaning that number of stars in the Milky Way is multiplied by 10 from the number of Magellanic stars. The most appropriate answer is 100 billion stars, namely option D. Okay, continue to the third question of the text. The question is, it can be inferred from the passage the small Magellanic cloud is. Being asked is the distance from the small Magellanic to the Earth. The small Magellanic in the text is still explained in paragraph 2. In the option, the answer is all about light years away, while in paragraph 2, it is explained that the distance from the Earth to large Magellanic is 180,000 light years, and distance from the large Magellanic to small Magellanic is 50,000 light years. So we total Earth to small Magellanic, it's 230,000 light years, which is option D. Thank you for your attention. I hope my explain is useful, and see you next time.